in this video, I will teach you how you can buy My Defi Pet eggs inside Binance Smart Chain, and I will teach you the simplest and easy way for you to do that. So just stay tuned and finish this video. And of course, after this video, you can now get your very first egg so that you can start playing the game, upgrading your pet, so that when the official features, all of the features of the game launches, you are now equipped to make money inside My Defi Pet. So let's just jump right into it. So first of all, go to the Poocoin app and then look for My DeFi Pet token. And the first thing that you want to take note of is, of course, the contract address. Okay, so you need to get the contract address first. However, I think that's the easiest way. And for you to get the contract address, just copy this one right here. Okay, so you won't really get confused onto this one, because when you paste it inside the Pancakeswap, okay, it will appear what type of token it is, and there won't be any confusions at all. So after you copy the contract address inside my Poocoin app, just go into this exchange that Pancakeswap finance, and then just look for what kind of BNB, what kind of token that you want to swap to get DPET. So that's the currency of My Defi Pet. And then just, so when you've decided to pick a currency, so let's just say you will convert BNB to DPET. So what you just need to do here is, of course, put the amount on this exchange exchange platform right here, and then select the second currency which you want to receive. So in my case, I'm going to put this contract address, and as you can see here, it automatically displays DPET. So you just, if you don't want any hassle at all, just add DPET, okay, and then so that when the next time that you will search this token, just type it out. You won't need any contract address at all, and then just select this one, okay, and just take note that in this case you need to have a higher slippage tolerance, okay. So otherwise it won't process. So I'm going to show it to you right here. If you put 3%, oh, it processes in 3%. So what you just need to do, of course, is you just need to confirm this one right here. So after you've confirmed this one, you will pay as well a network fee, which is always the case when you are doing transactions inside Binance Smart Chain. So always make sure that if you're going to buy a pet, you need to have a small amount of money that you will need to put inside the chain wallet, so to pay some of the transaction fees that will come, whether you're buying My DeFi Pet, whether you are into yield farming and other, maybe you are in trading and stuff. You need to have a separate money that will pay for your transaction fees, so that you won't get annoyed when there's really not much money left inside Binance Chain Wallet. So just confirm this one, okay. I'm not going to confirm this because I do have a lot of pets right now. And then after you've confirmed it, there will be a BSC scan right here, which of course it will show you a transaction, okay. And as you can see here, I do have some transactions, okay, in my MetaMask. So let me just log it right now. So I'm just gonna go to Smart Chain, and as you can see here, this kind of transaction will appear, okay. And then just wait for the status to be success before you go to My DeFi Pet, because probably if you go inside here and you will panic like, where's my money? It's not here yet. It's a scam or something like that. Just wait for your transaction hash to be successful before you make another move. So just connect your BSC wallet on this website right here. It is play.mydefipet.com/app/applications/buy pet. And then when you've connected your BSC wallet into this platform, okay, just buy DeFi Egg. So just take note, you buy using your BSC wallet if you do have DPET tokens inside your BSC wallet, and you will just buy DeFi Egg using your Kai wallet if you connected your Cardio wallet inside this platform. So in my case, I'm using BSC. So just click the BSC here. So you just need to click the buy egg here, and then of course there you will get a gas fee. Okay, so after you've bought it, you confirm it, you will see here there it will says there's a pending transaction, and then when you refresh it, there will be a notification that will say that open the egg, and then you are just unboxing it. Okay, and then after that you could probably see it into the inventory. So just, I think you can just click it here and maybe open oh, it's not working. You can just go inside by my My Defi Pet game, and of course you can see all of the pets here. Currently it is on the maintenance, so I can show you get all of my eggs inside My Defi Pet. But of course I think I do have some screenshots, okay, that I've been posted into the Discord where I get even a rare egg. I just got lucky, and I'm getting around 2,000 silver per hour. And if you don't know what it means for you, and what is the silver function in the game, you can just look into my video on how to get more silver and what is its current use. And of course, just explaining it to you really quick, it is used for you to buy some food. Okay, so you put your silver, okay, inside the platform, you buy a food, okay, and then this food you will feed it to your pet so that it will upgrade and level up. And if you reaches level 10, and if you've managed to get to the breeding part, then that's the main functionality of that. So I'm going to show it to you. I think it is here. For a moment please. I think it is on the pet show off. I've made a post right here. Wait for a moment. I'm not sure what time did I post here. Maybe I can just search for myself. I think that is the best thing I could probably do. Oh, it's not. Not sure how when I've put my pets here. Let me just back it for a little bit. So this is the official Discord for My Defi Pet as well. So oh my god, where are my pets here? Okay, I think I've shown it here. Okay. So as you can see here, I do have a level 10 winged popper that is earning 2,160 silver per hour. Okay, so when you are upgrading your pet, you need to have a silver for you to have a food, which in turn you can feed it to your pet to upgrade. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I wish I can show you my current pets, all of my pets right now, but since it is on the maintenance mode and they are doing a really big updates into this game, and I can probably access it. Probably tomorrow I can access it already. But if you like this video, guys, please do subscribe into my channel, and please put that smash button into my video, and just comment anything, or whether you have any suggestions on My Defi Pet, whether you have some games that you want me to review, Okay, I'm going to do it for you guys. And just good night and see you on the next video.